I have got to see if that punched through that board. That board is literally a beam that is 3 inches thick. I have got to see if there's penetration. All right, boys, let's check it out together. What we got? What we got? Oh my God. Just hope all my cameras stay running for this long ass 90-minute episode. Oh! Oh! Dude! As soon as you let the thing go, it's going off. Damn, so guns do need triggers. Holy shit, I'm glad that was clear. Wow. That was festive. Holy shit.
Put a mag in it, bucket just pull.
God, that's so terrifying. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh.
No, you gotta push it in, dude. You gotta push it in.
Barrel shrouds exited the building. Ooh! Everything is gone. See what happens. I'm out of bullets. Now I am. Fun switch activated, huh? There we go. All right, super great. No mercy, run it. Dude, it works super flawless. Super flawless. Where was the failure there? Point it out, please throw it in the comments. Right side target. Apparently it's 4,214 feet per second, which I know to be a lie. .612, same hole, baby. Better. Decent. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna go downrange, move that camera over to the field target animals and see what we can do to the steel. That was kind of a glancing blow, not pleased. Better, that was a slapper. That little chicken looks so little out there, dude. It is just so little. I've connected with all of them, I have to try. .3x on zoom with about 110 heart rate. Whoop, camera. I do see it grouping. I am going to go ahead and be ambitious and try again. Oh! Dude, finally was able to connect. I'm going to consider that a lucky shot. Out of ammunition, but you know what? The smiles per gallon are pretty high on this rifle. Flanagan's is coming through with us with those penetrators.
Fire!
Jim at Texoma Precision Pellets. We are not worthy, brother. You have just produced a 12 gauge firearm shotgun pattern at 5 yards. It's only 5 yards, but still, you're onto something, bro. 10-yard test. And fire. All that glitter looks toxic. Woo! All right, nice bright laser, nice click of the safety there, and let them rip. Holy f. Okay, I got hit in the face with fucking ammunition. And we blew a mag up. I blew my mag up. And if I hadn't taped these, I'd be wearing that polycarbonate. Fire. That's the air bolt. It's raining harder now. Here we go. Let's go. And fire. Did I shoot the same block twice? Where is it? And fire. The trigger's significantly better on this than my first Gen Zeus. There's serious differences between Gen 1 and Gen 2 Zeus. And fire. I did not expect it to go off like that without a big squeeze to it, and probably pulled it off target. I'm gonna go again. I can see right away that I'm about 8 inches high, just because it's a huge hole, right? That's the only reason I can see it from here. But I can see that I'm about 8 inches high from my point of aim. I'm gonna go again, and then we'll start to make some adjustments. That was exhilarating. That was absolutely exhilarating. This time I got to be ready for that lightweight trigger. I also need hearing protection. Everything is ringing. This is significantly louder also, with the barrel half as long as it was previously, putting it twice as close to my face. If you have a Zeus, I strongly recommend and caution you against the noise levels therein. If it vents all the air out of it, Ben, I did this in the name of safety. I'm sorry, brother. Let's make this thing dangerous and then make some noise. Fire. That worked good as hell. I forgot my ears, but look at that. Oh, that worked good as hell. Holy shit. Shockingly well. Recording started. Please work. Oh no! Does it have pressure? 250 bar pressure. Will the mag come out? The mag won't come out.
What's going on, do you think?
I don't know. I'm cursed forever. That's what's happening right now. No matter what I touch, I just break it. Try harder, don't be a pussy. That was what we came to do. Yes! Yo! You know, if you're feeling unsure about yourself, just wind on that shit. You'll come out alright most of the time. Counting clicks.